Very good morning, children. Welcome back to our English class. Today we are going to see our 5th standard English, Term 3, Unit 1, Chapter 1, 5 Detectives. And dear children, last class we saw about the Think poem, isn't it? Did you learn the poem? Very good for those who have completed the poem and those who haven't finished, complete it soon. Let's move the topic 5 detectives. Okay, what does it mean by detectives? Detective means a person who investigate and solve crimes. Okay, a persons who investigate and solve crimes, like a police officer. Okay, getting into the lesson now. 5 detectives. Okay, so it was a sunny afternoon in Ooty. After long time, Arul and Amuda were sitting there balcony. Okay, the last 3 vacations were exciting for them. Children, how do you spend their vacation? Yes, we used to go grandparents' village or some other new place, isn't it? But they involve in solving 3 mysterious cases in their city. Mysterious means kept secret. Okay, secret. Okay, difficult to understand, and they were very interested in solving problems, and they are missed their friend Srijit, Jesse and Fatima. Srijit, Jesse and Fatima, they are missed. Okay, then Pablo. Pablo was Srijit dog. Okay, Pablo was Srijit dog. He played an important role in solving the mysteries. All these 5 friends, they call themselves 5 detectives or 5D. 5D means 5 detectives. Okay, and they were very famous in Ooty for their courage and skill because they solved 3 mysterious cases, and police also appreciate 5D for their admirable acts. Admirable acts means nothing but prizeable act. Okay, prizeable act, prizeworthy. Okay, admirable, prizeworthy. Okay. And after a week, all the 5 friends gathered in Amuda and Arul's house. Pablo was jumping with joy and continuously wagging his tail. Wagging means shaking. Dogs நம்மளை பார்த்தா வால் ஆட்டிட்டு நம்ம கிட்ட வரும்ல அந்த மாதிரி. Okay, and Amuda said that she very happy to see all her friends. Arul said that we can all head to solve the mystery. Okay, mystery means secret. Okay, it will make our vacation interesting. Okay, as already they have solved 3 mystery cases. Srijit said that something happened in the town while I was gone. Okay, Arul says, Srijit, no, nothing at all. Okay, and Arul says, Srijit, what? No, nothing at all. Okay, then Amuda said that they all go to the town's fair, and she told about different games, magician, and importantly about the waxworks. Okay, waxworks means nothing but like dummy made of wax. Okay, and her studio with many wax figure inside. After a lot of pasturing means irritating. Pasturing means irritating. Okay, and everyone agreed to go. when they came back, Inspector Velayudham on his bike. Velayudham was the inspector of the area. Amuda says Inspector Velayudham has been very busy for these days, and his was made the group curious, and he wanted to know that what was happening in the city, but they had no clue of. Okay, dear children, do you understand the part 1 of 5 detectives? Okay, learn the glossary and learn the lesson. Thank you, students.